When you arrive at the family reunion, Uncle Vincent has already started eating many hot dogs. 2 minutes later, he has eaten a total of 17 hot dogs. 11 minutes after you arrived, he finished 44 of them. What is his rate in dogs per minute? How many had he eaten when you arrived? Hot dogs. Write an equation to model the situation. Use M for minutes and D for dogs. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a linear model to reflect this. So let's pull our data from the problem to start with. So after 2 minutes, he had consumed 17 hot dogs. And then after 11 minutes, he had consumed 44 hot dogs. So if we take this information and convert this into ordered pairs, we have 2, 17 and 11, 44. Looking at it as ordered pairs, what we're going to do is we're going to first create the slope. So slope is created by doing the change in y over the change in x. We know that y is representative of hot dogs, and so let's just label our information. This will be x1, y1, x2, y2, where our time is represented as x. We're going to plug in our information, so we're going to set up the slope formula off of our labels. That gives me 44 minus 17, 11 minus 2. Subtracting this gives me 9 and 27. And then reducing gives me 3. Now remember, that's represented hot dogs in minutes. So this means that he is consuming 3 hot dogs per minute. So already we can answer one of our answer blank. What is his rate? And that's 3. Next up, we're going to pull in our point slope form. So y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Now let's look at the information that we already have. 3 was our slope, so we have our m. x1 we already had labeled here, and y1 we also already had labeled. So we're going to plug in that information. Y minus 17 equal to 3x minus 2. We're going to distribute, so I get y minus 17 equal to 3x minus 6, and then add the 17 over. So this gives me y equal to 3x plus 11. So this is the linear equation to represent the situation. Now they said to use M for minutes and D for dogs. So let's use their variables. So that would be D is equal to 3M plus 11. How many? Right here we can see that we had calculated there to be 11 initially when we had got there, and then he's eating 3 per minute. So they just have you interpreting the data. So this would be 11 hot dogs. And then where do you write that equation? In total, we would say 3m plus 11.